Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my own polygel nails at home. So let's get right into it. So the products I'm using are nail polish remover, alcohol, the clear polygel, a nail filer that I have, the base gel, the top coat, and lastly, the little brush and spatula tool that comes with the kit. So I'm going to start off by using this little wooden cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to push back my cuticles from all of my nails. Next, I'm taking this nail filer that I have, and I'm just taking the shine off, or filing the shine off of my nails. And I'm also using this to take off the cuticles that are there as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up because I'm going to do it for all my nails, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now I'm using a little bit of the nail polish remover on a little cotton pad, and I'm just going to wipe off all of the dust that's left on my nails, and this is going to dehydrate my nails and get them ready for the base coat. So these are the forms that I'm using. I got these off of Amazon also, and I like them because they give the little lines on them to allow you to place the polygel where you want them, so all of your nails can be the same length. And I'll also leave the link to these in the description box below. Okay, so I moved the forms to the side, and now I'm going to put the base coat on each one of my nails, and I'm going to use a thin layer on each one. And then I'll set it under the UV light, and I think I actually left it in there for 60 seconds. I'm not positive, but I think 60 seconds for each time I had to cure it. So for this set of nails, I'm going to use the clear polygel. I haven't used this one before. I've used the pink one. This set actually comes with a few different colors. I just didn't show it on here because I've had it for quite a while, and I have all the gels just thrown in my bag where I have all my nail supplies. So anyway, I just got a little bit of polygel. I put it on the form itself, and now I'm using the brush, and I'm dipping the brush into the alcohol. That way it'll help spread it. So you do need alcohol to help spread the gel because it is so thick. So I'm just going to keep maneuvering it around until I get the shape that I want. And I'm actually making this a little bit thin also. And I'm sorry if I'm not always in frame or, in focus. This is, I think, only my second time trying to do these nails. I've never really filmed a nail tutorial, so this is all new to me. So hopefully, if I keep doing my own nails, I'll get better at it. So now that I like the placement of the gel, I'm going to go ahead and place this on top of my nail and kind of push it down with my other finger. The only thing that I didn't really like is that it kind of lifts up. So you really have to hold the form down or it'll lift up and make little bubbles. So right now I did notice that there was some coming out of the edges. So I just dipped my brush back into the alcohol just to clean that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. And now you just wiggle the form back and forth until it pops off. This one was actually pretty easy. So now I just grabbed the alcohol again, wiped it off so it takes off the stickiness. And I did notice that on one side it was a little bit thin. So what I'm doing now is I just grabbed a little bit more of the clear polygel and put it on my nail. And now I'm using the brush and kind of painting it like nail polish, just to add a little bit more gel in the places that I feel need it. Now that I have it the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and cure it again. And then I'm going to go back in with the alcohol and wipe it down so it takes away the stickiness. And now the next step is to file it down. You don't really have to file it if you get it right the first time, but I did want to shape them a little bit more. So you can do this any way you want. If you want a coffin shape, an almond shape, whichever. And so that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do this with all of my nails, and then I'll be back once we're finished with this. Sorry I didn't get a close-up of my nails and how they looked after I finished putting the polygel on all of them. Like I said, this is my first time filming a nail tutorial, so I'll get better at it. But anyway, now the next step is to put the top coat on. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to do this to all my nails, and then I'm going to cure them again under the UV light. And you can leave them like this if you want, and this can be the final look. Like I said, this kit comes with other colors, so you can just put the top coat on the pink forms that you've made. I chose to keep it clear and then just paint a different color on top. The color that I'm using is this Sally Hansen color. It's a nude pink, and I really like the way it looks on my nails when I'm not doing like a bright red or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all of my nails, and then I'll show you guys the end result. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and click the little bell button. That way you can be notified each time I upload a video. Again, thanks so much you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.